All right, you're welcome back. Now still the Good Morning Naija Show, but as it be so we don't get one confirmed guest inside the studio. You know, as traffic they always be now. Traffic they always owe them. We supposed to get the guests before now, but traffic they always owe them for. But we thank God say she reach here and she come the Good Morning Naija Show. And the person we will talk about so now Chief Mrs Aisha Tosan. And if you wonder what she be, we go tell you. Now she be the MD of Crime Fighters.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How about you?
Come here today, really.
We're very happy to see you show for our studios this beautiful morning. Now, very quickly, make we get into the matter of the day. We'll go ask you this question. What will be your thoughts on the state of security in Nigeria right about now, considering everything that don't happen? Yeah. The wahala in the north, campaign, wahala, tearing of posters, attacking of campaign party. What will be your take on the general situation of security for inside this country, considering, say, elections, 9 days away?
Anyway, politicians no make things they easy.
Okay.
The way when they go about their affair. For us in Lagos, maybe we will say we get luck, but outside Lagos is so tense because politicians, even though crime itself don't day before election, before politics come up now, politicians they make the thing they a bit. How I go talk the broken now?
Make them rough. They
Make them rough. Okay. Very bad. You know, they encourage these young boys to to fighting, doing all sorts of things. Otherwise, even outside, politics, it's been bad. You know, the situation is not even good before politics can join them.
True. All right, so, ma'am, we could bring her come Lagos. You say for inside Lagos State today quite different. But I know say for some rallies that they don't do for Lagos State, the complaint we they get, especially from those of us with the radio, where people they call in, they get some kind of complaint, say, as this rally they go on, people they rob, people they thief, and nobody they help.
That's because you did Lagos. You know, say media they concentrated for Lagos. Okay. You get a lot of television for Lagos. You get a lot of prints for Lagos. That is why you see say una they get feedback.
Yeah.
But if you go outside Lagos, you go understand what's in they talk. If you go Delta, for example, or you go Ekiti, or you go Rivers, or you go Kaduna, you go Nasarawa, you go see say their own even worse past Lagos own. That's why I say that we even Lagos if we dey lucky. Say the little when it happen for Lagos, the police in Lagos and the government in Lagos they try to stop them. But other side you go here say 10 people die. 20 people die. Yeah. This person they don't stab this one. They don't rush and go hospital. So it's really not. We're not in a good state actually.
So in your own words, you feel say Lagos State as in we don't put everything together to make sure say security they're very catered for the people.
Yes, we they try for Lagos.
Okay.
All right, now, madam, we've been taking our top story for today, and even we know say in the last couple of days and weeks, a lot of people don't they call, don't they draw ear, say, this election, we need to postpone them, we need to postpone them. Amongst other things, one of the major things where people they talk say that the reason we need to postpone them now the security state of things. You feel say true because of security alone?
No.
We need to postpone the elections.
If you postpone the election, now go worse pass because people go rush. You don't. Maybe I don't know whether I get clips of people when they go to collect PVC. Okay. If you see those crowd, when don't take time to go wait to collect their PVC, then you can't postpone the election. It be like saying a keg of gunpowder when you go just ignite, the whole nation go aflame. So there is no. If then they talk security no affects anything. In fact, if they postpone them, now the thing go worse pass. The police go get a lot of work to do.
But madam, especially in the northeast, people they fear. They even talk say to even come outside fear to vote. Then they fear because say polling centers and voting areas are likely places where they fit targets to bomb.
Even if you postpone them to 20 years, government never solve the situation there.
Okay.
I no be lawyer, but I know say I read book. I know what in our constitution talk concerning what time they're supposed to do election. Which time they want to postpone them to? They go postpone them with 6 months or they could postpone them with 3 years. Now, can the government itself, will they solve the security situation within 2 weeks or 3 weeks, within 1 month or 4 months? Now, security situation we don't do the ground for almost 3 years, 4 years, 5 years. And government never fit solve them. So postponing election on the basis of security now just say that they look for something to talk, not be saying na security. In actual fact, even if they postpone am, now the thing go worse pass. Because at that time, those bad boys go take advantage of the situation, enter road, begin, you know, break motor, do all sorts of things. Now, the bad boys, then they see money they chop through campaign. They see money they chop through all these things. So if you stop them now, na wahala. And then these good people, when they go queue for PVC, yesterday they come from somewhere, and I see the crowd. I say, you mean people can actually take time to do their civic responsibility? So you can see people who don't take their time to go wait 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours to just get one PVC. And then government can say they won't postpone them. Not be Nigerians, they talk to make them postpone them. Now the politicians, and you know, so now somebody now start this talk for London. So it has nothing to do with security at all.
All right, so the reason why they always...
I know so the man, when he start the talk, now the chief security officer for Nigeria, that's not for London. And me, I do inside the system.
But later you talk
And me, I go inside the system.
I understand, we understand. All right.
All right, the reason why they actually bring Kaja people coming inside with studio, because we know say election are just few days away, and we all need to get better information on top security for inside Nigeria. And that's now why we still get Chief Mrs Aisha Tosan, will be MD of Crime Fighters, still in the building. Now, we're not to get much time. They're very painful. But I would just like to ask you this question. Some people, they thought say they don't know. Now they put themselves inside bad hands. But now, from your own mouth, how person fit conduct himself well, especially during this election?
The thing when the person is supposed to do, if you know say you no get business to go vote, like say you no want vote, you don't make up your mind say you no want vote. So stay in your house because it's a holiday. Stay and sleep or watch television. If you know say you want vote, go there, queue, finish your vote, wait as government don't tell you. You know some people, they always make comments when you go the polling booth. Some
inciting comments.
Some go make comments. Some day for opposition. Some day for the people when they do ruling party. You don't get business with them. And most times, if you see the ones cause katakata, just waka comot. If you don't vote finish, you know so you no go fit stand there, rather than stay there and then they begin break bottle. But then again, I think governments too, whether na opposition or whether na the ruling party, they get duty to make sure say their people, when they follow them, their followers no go polling booths, they cause trouble.
All right. We need to go. We need to go because time is our side. But thank you very much, Chief Aisha Tosan. So you come inside our studios.
No, not be Yoruba woman. She's from Delta.
Aisha Tosan. Yes, please. We hope say after the elections, hopefully we'll fit to get in the studios again. Make you come talk at length for on top security for inside Lagos and Nigeria as a whole. Thank you very much, Chief. All right, now on top this note, we'll go take a wrap the entire show, the Good Morning Naija Show. Thank you to all of our faithful followers, our faithful listeners and watchers who don't follow us. You need to join us same time tomorrow, 6:30 a.m. We go there here live. We go tanda gidigba. We could give you the best of informate, educate and entertainment as we always do on top of the Good Morning Naija Show. From me, Lolo and Luchi, we say bye-bye and we shall see you tomorrow. It shall be well with you. It is well with Nigeria.